Well, guys, we are off to another Sandblast rally here for 2022. And we are taking the sandbar today. Hopefully that's not a grave mistake because it's about an hour's drive from where I live. So hopefully we don't have any issues, no breakdowns, and don't run out of gas in the little baby truck. So let's go ahead and get ourselves down there and check out some Subarus doing what Subarus do best. Guys, we are here at the first stage. Well, not the first stage. They started at 8:30. It's 10:30 now. I think this is actually the third stage, Sexton's Pond. Got here a little early. This is usually where I start because I'm not getting up at the crack of dawn for these events anymore. So, about to grab my camera gear and go over and get set up in the spectator area. We are done at Sexton's Pond. Didn't get much video there. I was shooting stills with the big boy camera. And we are headed to the next stage, and we were behind one of the rally cars right here. And we got one behind us. Doubt the little 40 horsepower sandbar is going to keep up with this WRX when he takes out. So currently sitting here at the caution light, waiting on a buddy of mine, YouTube subscriber. We've been going to this event for, I think, 2 or 3 years now, and waiting for him to catch up. I'm going to go follow him to a different location for this particular course I've never gone to. He scouted ahead the day before, said it was a pretty good spot. So we're going to try it out rather than going to the normal spectator plot. See if we can get some different angles and some better pictures. Some of these service roads will shake your teeth out, especially the little sandbar. It is not built for this kind of off-roading at this speed. Oh boy. So hopefully you guys can hear me over the rattling of the truck. Just finished up stage number 5. A lot of cars have not finished. A lot of cars are running slow. The single zero car flipped on its roof, and at the last stage, a car set on fire and burned to the ground. I believe it was the Toyota Yaris. So this has been a very eventful Sandblast so far. Sorry I don't have great video for you guys. Not even sure if this will become a video because I haven't gotten really good coverage. So we're about to head to Campbell Lake now, see if we can see something there before we're heading back to Sugar Mountain and then back to CJ's Loop for the final. Out on the main highway again, gonna try to sneak into a new little spot. We've been more adventurous this year in trying off the beaten path photography spots because we don't have to worry about a lot of spectators being in the background with those. Haven't seen any of the rally cars yet. I believe they are at service in the little town of Patrick, which we are headed towards now. We're going to turn right into Patrick, go out behind this little town, and I think there's a little dirt road that cuts in on the rally course. So check back in if we get there. Well, kind of a bust. We got out there and saw the first couple of fast cars, and the field's really stretched out, so we're going to head back over to Sugar Mountain real quick, try to set up, see the whole field go through. There'll be a course in between, and they'll finish at CJ's Loop back at the four-way, so we're going to try to hit Sugar Mountain, then run to CJ's Loop for the finale before possibly heading into Sherall. Not sure yet if I'm going to head in for the awards or not tonight. guys, so we are headed to the final stage of the rally, CJ's Loop. It's starting to get dark on us. We've had some delays and some issues, but going to finish up. Likely going to drive into town for the award ceremony. Probably not going to stay the whole time, but we're going to go down to downtown Sherall and check it out. Brian came down and got to hang out for a little while with us. Back. So guys, I actually lost some video. I actually drove into Sherall. I could not find where they were doing an award ceremony or banquet like they had in years past. I guess they didn't do it this year. I'm not sure. But yeah, that'll do it for the video. Sorry it wasn't that great, but thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.